Let's get over to Madison Heights now. That's where Victor Williams joins us. He's talking to people in one neighborhood that is also dealing without power.
Yeah, Rhonda, if you're anything like me, you were up all night because of the howling wind gusting, but that is nothing compared to the problems that many people are having that are without power, especially right here at Progress and John R. in Madison Heights. Take a look at the traffic light. Notice there is no power right there, but that's not really stopping traffic. As you can see, it is still flowing. We were able to catch up to a man who told us what it's like to be without power, all because of the wind blowing all night.
We laid back down and started watching TV, and from our back window you can hear it really bad, and I actually got up one time and looked out my back window, and stuff's flying around. All the power's gone out. She wants to take a shower, and she got things to do around the house, and we have to wait till we get it back on.
And as you can see, all the local businesses in this area are also without power. We're told that crews from DTE are working to restore that power as soon as possible. For now, we are live in Madison Heights. Victor Williams, Local 4.
All right, Victor, thank you. And hopefully that power gets restored soon and those winds die.